In this video guide, I'll give you instructions to remove webpdfsearch.com, a browser hijacker that changes your default search engine without your permission. WebPDF search is advertised as a helpful tool that can assist you in converting files to PDF format or vice versa. In reality, it hijacks the default search engine. So when you start submitting some search queries, you may notice that the results are delivered by Yahoo Search. Even though Yahoo Search is a decent search engine, it's not your choice often. So if you are not satisfied with such changes caused by this browser hijacker, you need to immediately fix the issue with your browser. Go to the menu, click on More Tools, and now choose Extensions. Go ahead and disable and delete all suspicious extensions that you might see here. Finally, I would recommend that you double check your Mac with a Combo Cleaner antivirus for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and start scanning your Mac with this utility. Initially, the program will be in the trial mode. However, it has got some absolutely free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So you need to click on Start Combo Scan, and then the free research of your Mac will begin. Remember that the antivirus is the part of the premium license only. However, as I said, the program will perform the cost-free analysis of your Mac. And at the end of scan, you'll be able to find the location of each thread and remove it manually. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs free scanning of your Mac computer. At the end of scan, it gives the detailed report about the current threads found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This will show you the exact location of each specific thread, how to remove each thread manually. And for free, you may click on this icon that means Show in Finder, and you may click on it, and this will show you its direct location in Finder. You may right-click on the adware and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other detected items. Click on this icon and move the detected thread to the trash. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version, which will perform the removal automatically. Thanks for watching.